So how do you change the time zone in Google Calendar on iPhone? And let's get started. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Okay, so I'm gonna assume that you are using the Google Calendar application. And once you get inside in here, you make sure that you are signed in and everything, but then tap on the three lines in the top left corner and you can change the view and whatnot. But below we have the settings icon. So you can go to the settings, another set of buttons. So go to the general, and there, the second thing is the toggle for using devices time zone. So most likely you have it turned on, and it just means that your iPhone's settings for the time zone are going to be reflected in the calendar app as well. So you can have it enabled or not, depends, but you can turn it off as well and literally change to a different time zone, right? So you can see a huge list of all of the different time zones, so you can scroll through it, find it, click it, and all of the events and all of your calendar is going to be switched to a different one. I mean, it would work if you specifically needed that one, but I personally keep it turned on to be synced with my actual device's time zone, and this can be changed in your iPhone settings app by then going to the general section, and you can find a date and a time, and obviously you might have it set to automatically based on your location, but you can turn it off and just change the location for where you want to be or which time zone you want to use, and this is going to be reflected on your phone and also apply to the calendar, as you can see, because we have the syncing enabled, right? So that's how it works. I really hope that I can help you out with this. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it, or if you found this video helpful. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.